In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove duplicates in Google Sheets. Duplicates can inflate counts, confuse reports, and make your spreadsheets harder to trust. I'll walk you through Google's built-in tool so you can clean a list safely and quickly. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so you can access your files. At the top right, click the small grid icon, the Google Apps button. From the menu that appears, choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once Sheets loads, open your document that contains the data you want to clean. If the list is important, consider making a quick copy first so you can always return to the original if needed. Next, highlight your data. Click and drag to select the exact range you want to check for duplicates. If your table is well formed, clicking any cell in it and pressing Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac will select the current data block. Be intentional here. Include your headers if you have them, and avoid selecting extra blank columns or totals that you don't want changed. With your range selected, go to the menu bar and click Data. In the drop-down, point to Data Cleanup. This section contains tools for preparing your data. Choose Remove Duplicates. A dialog will open, showing the range you selected and the columns it will check. If your first row contains headers like name or email, turn on the option that says Data has Header Row. Then review which columns are selected. Select all columns if you only want to keep rows that are completely unique across every column. Or select specific columns if you only care about uniqueness for those fields. For example, just an ID column. When you're ready, click Remove Duplicates to run the check. Google Sheets will scan your selection, remove the repeated rows, and keep the first occurrence it finds. Finally, click OK to close the summary box. You'll see a note about how many duplicate rows were removed and how many unique rows remain. That's it. Your list is now cleaned up. If you removed more than you intended, use Ctrl-Z or Command-Z to undo immediately. You can repeat the process on a different range, or adjust which columns are considered until the results match what you expect. Google Sheets saves changes automatically, so your cleaned data is ready to use in filters, charts, and reports.